guy's not going to have any spark if he doesn't hook up all the wires. Okay, welcome back YouTube. We are finally here with a new pushrod for our Ford 300. In the last episode we discovered we had a broken pushrod, so we ended up just cleaning up and making some fancy painted pieces that look way too nice to be putting on this ugly thing, but that's okay. Hopefully we can make some short work of this. I should be packing my lunch, having a shower, getting ready for work tomorrow, but I guess we're gonna go hungry and stinky because I want to get this done. Pushrod inserted. Looks to be the right length. Off to a good start. One thing you have to watch for on your Ford 300s, some of them will have adjustable rockers and studs and some will not. This is not. So it's the easier one to install. You put a rocker on there, and I believe it's 23 to 28 pounds you torque it down to, and she's done. And I don't think I said it. These ones are called a pedestal stud because you can, there's no difference in the height. You just bottom it out on the threads. Okay, that's in, torque down. Valve cover. Take a thin layer of silicone all the way around. Put our gasket on top. Get her mounted on top our motor. And then we'll do the same with the pushrod cover as well. And then our fuel pump. And then our get everything else back together. Ta-da! Alright. Thin layer of silicone applied. Gasket applied. Some people will wait until the silicone tacks up and holds the gasket, but we ain't got no time for that. You tighten those grommets till they start to squish. I think some guys go to like 18 foot-pounds, but you don't have to. Go to 18, it might still leak. Fuel pump. Make sure your arm is going above your cam lobe. It's possible you might have to move your crank to move your cam just to make that easier. I did not have to do so. Coming up, roses for me today. I was just thinking some dumbass probably should have labeled that before he pulled that off. But thank you, Ford. Can't really see that, can you? Number 1 in our hearts and on our rotor cap. 1, 5, 3, or number 3, 3, 6, 2, 2. I was gonna say 2's not going the right place. And 4, our broken one. Former broken one. 15, 36, 24. You know the saying. Alright, let's get some fuel pumped up there. I think I put mystery oil in that fuel last year, if memory serves me correctly. Oh, wait. Key on. Come in now. No accelerator pump? Probably not. Might be a two-hand job. No spark. Why do I have no spark? Guy's not gonna have any spark if he doesn't hook up all the wires. Duh. Dumbass. That'll probably work better. Well, now here's where our story starts to struggle. First, the needle and seat from the float was stuck, so we weren't getting any gas. We were just pressurizing on our hose. Then, while dealing with that, the cheap Amazon coil wire broke, which turned it over a bunch of times with no spark, not realizing it. While I was fixing the wire, I had the camera turned off. I forgot to turn the camera back on when I came back, and I was bottle feeding the carburetor. Had the thing running for a good 20 seconds. Turn around, no footage. So, here we are, back with the camera on. See if we can get some action. Smoky up there. And with that, I'm done. I'm going inside. Like, share, comment, subscribe, yada, 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 yada. Thanks, everybody. Later.